BNP Productions.
Hey guys, it's me, Dion with the thinking. Right now we about to react to a video. Now the video we about to react to today is Chewbacca singing Silent Day Night. I'm really interested to see how would Chewbacca do this. This is a 1-minute video. I wish it was longer. But hey, it's Chewbacca. He's probably gonna be like, how you doing? I can't do the voice. I can't. One day, I will do it. So, anyways, guys, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's do this.
Chewie.
Oh, that sounds really good, Tom.
This is ridiculous.
Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho. Oh, wow.
Chewie.
Oh, wow. That was a really good video. I'm gonna like that. Not much to it. It's just Chewbacca doing his voice stuff and singing Silent Night. Right now, I did buy a comic. Where that thing at? Oh, but I got this. The Star Wars thing. This was a really good comic, and they have a whole series of this. So make sure y'all check this out. Y'all comic book fans, Star Wars. Now it looks nothing like this, but the cover looks amazing. I wish the whole comic looked like this, but I appreciate what they were trying to do. This is after the events of the Death Star being destroyed and stuff like that. So. Deadpool, you don't know who I am. Maybe in the near future you'll see me. Maybe we will have a special Christmas video. I don't know. But I am the new sheriff in town. And Deadpool, wait till you get a load of me. Oh, let me steal something for Dion with the thinking. Please like, subscribe, and Merry Christmas!